Dear White Rose, thanks to the Caring Navy Project for bringing us together as pen pals and then as lovers. I've dreamed of the day we can be together and finally do what real couples do, like go on dates, take long walks, and watch movies. I'm so sorry that I haven't been able to be there to give you a normal romance, but soon I'll be by your side.
I've missed you for 2 years, but today we finally meet, making it all real.
Hey, sis. Got you a gift for your first hookup.
It's not a hookup. He's my boyfriend.
You've known each other for 2 years and still don't know what the other looks like? So pathetic.
So pathetic.
That sailor is using you for lonely distraction.
No, he isn't. He loves me, and we're meeting at the ice cream shop today.
Aww.
He gave me this.
Oh my god.
Enough. I'm going to meet him now.
Wow. Ice cream shop and a cheap ring. Classic player moves to fool gullible women.
Seahawk would never lie to me. Seahawk? Could the next one be you?
Don't forget the umbrellas. It's gonna rain.
Yes, Admiral. Word is out that you're back. So, some local officials, business representatives would like to meet with you. So it's only gonna leave you roughly 30 minutes to meet with your, pen pal.
Not my pen pal. Girlfriend.
It's hard to believe a U.S. Navy SEAL Admiral would fall so hard for a girl he's never met.
Jacob,
Yes, sir.
how do I look?
Impeccable, Admiral. What kind of girl could captivate the Admiral like this?
Madam Secretary, what is it?
Damien, we've got a hostile situation in the Gulf of Aden. Merchant ships hijacked. Get back to base now. This mission's extremely dangerous. You may not come back alive, Admiral.
Yes, madam. I will deploy immediately. Jacob, fall in line now.
But Admiral, your girlfriend...
Duty calls, and it waits for no one.
Do you want to leave her a message or something?
No. If I can make it back alive, then I'll explain to her in person everything. Let's go.
Ice cream shop and a cheap ring. Classic player moves to fool gullible women. Sophia was right. Wait. It's time to go.
I tried to tell you, didn't I? That playing Navy guy was just messing with you. Only an idiot would fall for that.
Who do you think you are throwing my stuff like this?
Dreaming of a Navy romance? Pathetic.
You're trash. Just like your mother. Get lost. Don't dirty up a place.
I thought you'd
my salvation from hell. But I will become a doctor. I will walk out of hell alone.
There's no pulse. What do we do?
Excuse me.
Talk to me, Laura. Jimmy, I need an AED on standby.
I'm going in. She's gonna be fine. Dr. Lee, what are you doing on this floor? Is it about my mother?
Without a suitable heart transplant, your mother only has 3 months left.
Aurora, my only regret is not seeing you get married.
Mom, you will. You will.
My friend's son, Damián Hawk, he's a decent, normal, honest, retired Navy man. I'd be happy if you married him.
A Navy man. 10 years, Aurora. It's time to move on.
Promise me you will.
Of course, Mom. I promise.
Damián, where are you going?
Just to the hospital for the acquisition contract signing.
Damián, since you retired from the Navy, you have thrown yourself into expanding the family business. But you still need to get married.
Grandma, I am not marrying a stranger.
The letters that you sent to that pen pal have gone unanswered for years. She might already be married to someone else. It's time for a fresh start. The girl is Aurora Miller. She's your mother's friend's daughter.
10 years, White Rose. Have you forgotten everything we had?
Damián, the Hawk family has been in international shipping for over 100 years. We are the wealthiest, most prestigious family in the U.S. We have a duty to contribute to the nation's defenses. You must provide an heir to protect our legacy.
All right, fine. I will marry the girl.
Aurora's a lovely girl. You'll fall for her.
Come on, Aurora. Show us those bedroom eyes that you've been waiting to show the director in bed.
Sophia, give me back my clothes.
No. I know you slept your way into becoming a doctor, and it's time for the internet to know what a slut you really are.
Okay, we both know that's nonsense. I got a perfect score on my exams, and stop trying to interfere in my personal life.
Yeah, right. Nobody gets a perfect score without letting the boss score first. I'm gonna expose you.
Come back here.
Oh my god, what a look! Why don't you give us a little striptease in your iodine soaked suit?
Sophia, that's enough.
You all right, miss?
It's like we're burning into embers. As the fire burns so cold. Won't we keep heading round in circles, never letting go?
Use this to cover up.
Thank you. Excuse me? Who do you think you are, meddling in other people's business?
What's a toxic person like you doing in a hospital, huh? I thought doctors were supposed to be healing.
Who the fuck are you to lecture me? Oh, no, let me guess. Broke, unemployed guy, trying to play the hero. Cute.
Yeah. Now I need you to take care of a bullying employee for me at the hospital. Her name is Sophia Miller. Thank you.
That's funny. You think one phone call can really do anything? You can't touch me. What? I'm actually suspended? No, no, no. Oh, this can't be real.
Excuse me. How did you...
Well, I just made a little complaint. I didn't realize the hospital was gonna act so swiftly.
Yeah,
I think this belongs to you.
thank you. Is something wrong?
Aurora Miller?
Yes.
You're my fiance.
You're...
Miss Miller, hi. I'm Damián Hawk.
Damián, I'm not sure what your expectations are, but I think that you should know I've dedicated my whole life to my career, not to becoming someone's wife. So, what I'm saying is, you'd better not fall in love with me.
Miss Miller, I am swamped with work and not exactly Prince Charming material. So I wouldn't advise you falling in love with me either.
Perfect. We'll stay out of each other's way then. If you meet someone that you actually like, just let me know.
Are you suggesting an open marriage?
No.
Do you both enter this union willingly?
We do.
Oh, doesn't quite seem like it.
Who would have thought he'd look so dashing in a Navy uniform?
Come on, you two are a couple. Move closer together.
Oh.
Perfect. Okay, now, how about a nice, passionate kiss?
Look, that couple looks amazing. I bet their kids would be stunning.
That guy's got nothing on me.
Hey, I'm your husband. Wait up.
Miss Miller, where is your home? Do you need help moving your things?
Moving.
We just got married. Isn't it tradition to live together?
Mom's treatment costs a fortune. Moving in with Damián could save on rent.
If that makes you feel uncomfortable, then
Yes. Yes, I'll move in with you.
Here, hop in. Welcome home.
Oh, you must be Aurora. Oh.
Aurora, meet my grandmother, Margaret.
Pleasure.
I am sorry Damián's got you in such a tiny place. You deserve so much.
Well, hustling as a bodyguard isn't exactly a royal path to riches now, is it?
I can't risk letting Aurora know my real gig as a retired Navy admiral. It's too classified.
I love it, Margaret, really.
Oh, such a sweet girl. You two must be worn out. I'm gonna let you get some rest. Oh, and I've got a little surprise for you. And I'm hoping the two of you can give me some great grandbabies soon.
Oh, this is what Grandma Margaret meant as a surprise?
I apologize.
My grandma can be a bit...
No, but, I get it. I'm just gonna move this now. Oh no,
I can handle it.
is it so quiet in there?
Miss Miller, you should probably get up.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Just, sorry, my hair is stuck.
Still no noise. Come on.
Oh, I think I made it worse.
Damián, are you two resting yet?
I don't want your grandma seeing us like this. Wait, what are you doing?
Humor me.
Humor. What?
My grandma is not gonna leave. She's listening. And you don't want her to come in, do you?
Oh, baby. Oh, I want you so bad.
I'm coming in.
Louder, louder.
Okay.
Oh my God. Your body is so beautiful. She's gone. Coast is clear.
All that so that she would hear us.
Well, I had to think on the fly. I'm sorry if I upset you.
No, I'm fine.
I got it. Don't worry. I would never touch you without your consent.
Thank you. Well, there's one bed. So how do we want to...
You sleep on the bed. I'll take the floor. Sorry. You get some rest. I have to take this. Good night.
Good night.
Sorry, Admiral. I've tried everything, but couldn't get in touch with your pen pal.
An unbreakable bond. That was the promise that I made to her.
Hey, girl. Hi. How is everything? Is it true those Navy guys have serious stamina? I heard they can go like 5 times a night.
Emily, you know we just married each other to make our folks happy, right?
You guys haven't even fucked?
Shut up.
All right. Wait, you're not still hung up on that Navy guy who ghosted you, are you?
Admiral, all these years, you've done everything you could.
I know, I keep thinking there's gotta be some other way. I swear that I will find you, White Rose. No matter what it takes.
Emily, that jerk led me on for 2 years and then just disappeared without a word. But that's in the past. Now I just want a normal relationship to share my life with someone, you know?
All right, girl. Hope this one treats you right. It's getting late. We'll talk soon, okay?
Okay, thanks. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Sea salt ice cream? This was the flavor that jerk liked.
You like sea salt ice cream too?
Ugh, no, I hate sea salt ice cream.
White Rose, don't wait for me. Hey, Aurora, it's okay. What's wrong?
No, leave me.
It's okay. Hey, it's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
I was having a bad dream.
No worries. Dr. Miller, I think it's time to get to work. Why can't I stop thinking about this?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Have a cookie.
You bake?
They're rose flavored, which is kind of a specialty of mine.
Rose-flavored cookies? Those were the kind that White Rose used to make.
I'm already late for work, so I gotta go.
Have a good day. It tastes just like White Roses.
Have you lost your mind? Those are private patient records.
Bitch, I know you're the reason I got suspended.
Let go! You brought this on yourself!
You bitch! I know you're sleeping with the boss. How else would you have pulled this off, huh?
Your license to practice was bought and paid for, not earned. You have no right to be a doctor.
If a little tramp like you can be a doctor, why can't I, huh?
Let go, you maniac!
Let's see if any hospitals want to hire a blind doctor, huh?
Stop. Stop.
Mr. Hawk.
Oh my God, you loser! What are you, like her pimp or something? You're always showing up to save this little slut.
Miss, you threaten my wife one more time and you will regret it.
Wife? Oh my God. You actually married this little tramp. You do realize the only reason she's a doctor is because she spread her legs with a director.
It seems your suspension taught you nothing.
Think you're so tough, huh? You're not gonna be so lucky this time.
Miss, we don't tolerate disruptions in this hospital. You've been reported.
No, I'm a doctor here. You can't do this to me.
You've been reassigned. Now you're an administrative medical assistant.
No! You can't do this!
Did you report her again?
You caught me red-handed, but I was just doing my civic duty. Let me take a look at your hand. What is it?
A Mobius ring. Here. Seahawk?